Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here is Portie's Garage, the home of DIY, mostly working with automotive, but at Mick's house, you never know what you're gonna get. So today I got another just general maintenance task that I gotta do. I pulled the lawnmower out. It's starting to get warm here, and these blades are a disaster. They got grass stuck on them. They've been hitting rocks, been hitting sticks. They're all beat up. So I've got the old father-in-law's grinder here. I turned the switch on. Might have to give it a little spin to get it going, but this grinder works wonders. Thing you gotta watch though when you're grinding these off is you don't unbalance the blades. I did notice I've got a heck of a gap right there. Some rock hit, put a big hole in the blade. This one may be hard to balance. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a screwdriver and a wire brush, try to remove all this stuck on grass here, and then I'll get the grinder out. So right now, let me just clean this up, and then I'll start the video again then once I get the grinder going. So give me a couple minutes to get this cleaned up. All right, I got those blades cleaned up a little bit, got most of the big grass off. I'm gonna start this up. I set this level here, try to get the grinder, get the right angle. May have to just stop the video, lower that back down. So, you know, before I get this, did just change the oil in the lawnmower there. It used a 5W30. It's a Honda engine. Got a lot of hours on that bad boy. As you can see, these blades might need to be replaced. So let me get this fired up. Got the safety glasses on, got the gloves on. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, she's going. Oh yeah, let's see if we can balance it out here. It's got a little balance, looks pretty good. Use the screwdriver, hopefully that's not too unbalanced. This one worries me. I've got a big hole right here. Let me move that off to the ground. Got a big chunk. We'll see what happens when I try to start grinding down here. I'll take it. So if I had a really fine lawn that wasn't full of rocks and sticks, I may look at taking a metal file and straightening all this out, but it's just gonna get chewed up again with all the rocks. So here's just a quick video on sharpening a blade. You know, actually before I finish up here, I better check for level, make sure I didn't take, or balance. That's balanced on there. So I didn't take too much off one side. So thanks for watching. Just a quick video on sharpening some lawnmower blades using a good old bench grinder. She's an oldie but a goodie. Same with the Honda lawnmower. Hit the thumbs up if you like the content and support Portie's Garage by subscribing. Thanks for watching.